Hello, dear students. I hope you are doing very well and preparing very hard for your board examination starting from 15th of February. We are here to discuss certain examination ethics which are released by Cbse on 20th of January. It's a very important circular, dear students, which is released by Cbse, which explains and gives you a lot of information about the unfair means rules. I know you all are very much aware about it, but it's just to sensitize you and reiterate there are certain categories which are released by board and we need to follow them. Dear students, there are certain list of items, the permissible items that are allowed to be carried in the examination hall. This includes the admit card, the school ID card. Dear students, if you have lost your ID card by any chance, please inform your school in advance so that they arrange for you on another one. Right? Any stationery items like transparent pouch, geometry box, pencil box, but it should be a transparent pouch, not a complete wooden packed box, right? And your blue ink ballpoint gel pen, your scale, your writing pad, eraser, analog watch, your passes if you're traveling by metro, if you're traveling by bus, with the roadways bus, they give you certain passes. You can carry amount with you, money, if that is required to travel, right? There are certain things which are not allowed, which are banned in the examination hall. This includes what? They are any kind of stationery item. You cannot carry any textual material with you. You cannot carry bits of paper with you, dear students. You cannot carry a calculator. You cannot carry any log table. The log table will be provided to you by the center itself. If you're having any question, dear students, regarding to the graph appearing for the graph paper, if you need a log table, it will be given by the board center itself. You do not have to carry anything with you. Any electronic pen or the scanner, even that is not allowed, and you know about it. Any kind of communication device, mobile phone, pagers, Bluetooth, camera, or any kind of smartwatch. Now, smartwatch is not allowed, analog watch is allowed. I know you all know the difference between an analog watch and a digital watch. You can carry the analog watch with you, but you cannot carry a digital watch with you, dear students. Right? Any kind of eatable items. If you are diabetic, you are allowed to carry anything that in a packet, and you should carry a medical certificate with you that you are diabetic. It should be certified by the doctor. Any kind of other than if these items are there, it will be treated as a malpractice and you will not be allowed to carry them in the examination hall, right? The dress code, dear students, the dress code is strictly purely your school uniform. Now, why CBSE has given an emphasis on wearing of the school uniform only? It's just because there are plenty students of other schools also who are appearing for the examination at the same center. And if you have any problem, it would help the examination center to identify which school you belong to, and immediately we can provide you the help that you require, right? And now there are 5 categories, dear students. CBSE has given the list of unfair means in 5 categories. Will discuss the category number 1 here. If you are having question papers of the previous years with you, if you're found carrying the question papers of the previous years, or if you are writing any questions or answers on any other material other than the answer sheet, or if you're found tearing any of the pages of the answer sheet, you will not be allowed to sit in the examination hall. In fact, you will be allowed to appear for the examination through the supplementary exam. Your current exam will be cancelled and you will be appearing for this exam in the supplementary exam. This also includes if you're trying to contact any other person in the examination hall and you are carrying copying material, cheating material with you in hard copy and you have not used it. You carry it with you in your pocket, but you have not used it. They won't allow you to sit for the paper. In fact, you will be referred to appear in the supplementary examination. This was category number 1. We'll move to the another category, which is the category number 2, dear students. The category number 2 includes affixing or uploading any fabricated photo on the admit card. If you're tampering the photo which is given on the admit card, it is not allowed. It's treated as an offense. If you're found erasing the information that is printed on the answer sheet, if you're providing wrong information on the answer sheet, for example, if you're writing wrong roll number, by mistake भी अगर गलत roll number लिख दिया है, please correct it that then and there. Having copying material with you and you have used it. The first category stated that you are carrying the copying material and you have not used it. This category states that you are possessing, you are found using a copying material, there is something found in your pockets and you have used it. This will lead to cancellation of the current examination and you will be appearing for the examination in the next year. Again, if you are found communicating with another student or the assistant superintendent who's there on duty, you're not allowed to do so. You're assisting, you're provoking other student to get involved with you in the malpractice. You're asking other student also to copy like how you are doing. You're not allowed to do so. Giving assistance to other students directly or indirectly, taking assistance from some other students, same. You will not be allowed to appear for the examination, the current examination, the supplementary examination. You will be appearing for the examination in the next year, right? The category number 3. Now, this is very important, dear students. If you are found taking away the answer book with you from the examination hall, it's not permitted. If you're found smuggling the question papers, that's not permitted. If you're found smuggling the answer sheet, the supplementary answer books, you're not allowed, or even a part of it. It is banned by the examination. It doesn't fall in the examination bylaws. If you're found use or attempted of any electronic device, if you are carrying any electronic device with you in the examination hall and you have used it, this will be treated as a malpractice. It will lead to cancellation of the current examination as well as the next year's examination, dear students. This is continuing. Now again, if you are using any abusive language or threatening the staff on duty, the staff on duty in the examination hall is for your help, right? If you're found threatening them, if you're found abusing them, if you're found getting violent with them or anybody else at the examination center, if you're found forcefully entering and exiting from the examination hall, from the examination premises, or you're found using any of the electronic device, the mobile phone with you, and you have used it, and if you're found using rumors, if you're found spreading rumors about the examination, dear students, you will be banned from the examination for the current exam as well as the next year, and then you have to reappear for all the examinations in the next to next year, right? The category number 4, if you're found tampering your photograph, if you're placing someone else, sorry, if you're asking somebody else to appear for the examination at your own place, or if you're uploading or sharing any of the examination rumors on the social media, writing anything wrong about the examination conducted by Cbse, or releasing anything that is the exam material on Cbse or of Cbse on the social media, this will be treated as an offense. If you're approaching any other authorities related to the conduct of the examination or taking any legal course of action but using false information, this will not be permitted by board and will be viewed very seriously. You would be cancelled. You will not be allowed to appear for the current exam, the supplementary exam, or in the next 3 years, dear students. Treat this as very, very important, and because in next 3 years you will be graduated after 12th. The last category, the 5th category, if you're found using obscene or any derogatory language in the answer book, if you're found using a threatening language, or you're using kind of a language where you are stating that you will harm your own self, dear students, don't do that, right? You will be referred to the UFM committee. That's a UFM committee set up by the Cbse. You will be referred there, and then there is a lot of procedure involved in it. Using any other ink or pencil for the writing purpose, having enclosed currency, you're enclosing money with your answer sheet, or you're placing a packet with money on the answer sheet, just remember that the money will be forfeited by Cbse, and you will be referred to the UFM committee, and which would include a lot of procedures for the next examination, dear students. So that's all. That was for from my side. I wish everyone a very good luck and do well in your paper. Come up with flying colors. We all wish you very good luck. Thank you.